Alright guys, let's just have a look here. This is just for curiosity's sake. I'm going to keep this crankshaft off this Predator engine. And look at that, there's a metal cam gear. That's interesting. And some of the Hondas and some of the Briggses have plastic cam gears. Now, some of the true mechanics say that the cam gear protects the motor, the plastic cam gear protects the motor, but I thought that's what the keyway was for. But anyway, that's kind of interesting, eh? Now, I'm actually here to get this crankshaft out of here, so let's just get these but they're all pretty darn similar. And that little spring there, I think, is the compression release. Right there. Yeah, there we go. Are you with me? Okay, let's see if we can tap this off. Oh, perfect. Now this engine blew up, right? But it's actually in pretty good condition except for the exhaust valve. This is the one that came off the pressure washer, and it broke a rocker arm. It didn't just break a rocker arm, it broke the rocker arm stud right off the head. I found that the exhaust spring had grown right onto the head, just from, probably because it needed to have the oil change, right? So what does that say, guys? Change your oil! Should come out. Okay, we need a big stick. There we go. Yeah. There's the crank. Now if it wipes up good, I'm going to keep it. Yeah, it's in fine condition actually. But now we can pull the piston out. I find that that's a little bit on the dirty side, guys. Not here. But this engine has a lot of carbon buildup, all things considered. I'm just going to take off one of the rings and check the ring gap. If I can get that off of there. There we go. So now I'm just going to set this ring in here and I'll show you what I'm up to in a minute here. No, it's perfect. Okay, here we go. Okay, so let me just get my act together here, guys. Get some light in here. And if you can see right there, the piston gap, the ring gap is good. It's like 10 thousandths or something like that. And that's probably what it's supposed to be at. So anyway, Collapsed valve train kills predator.